this video, I'm going to show you how to use templates to create Active Directory users with the AD Pro Toolkit. So the templates are going to automatically fill out information and help you create accounts consistently in Streamline user account creation. So for example, when I come into user management, click on create single user. I can use the default template or create my own templates. And when I select my own template, it's going to automatically fill out information that I have configured in my template. And you can configure naming conventions. So when you go to fill out the first name, last name, it's going to automatically create the logon names, display names based off the naming convention set in the template. So to modify templates, create new templates, you come under settings, click on user creation templates, and there's a default template, and then you just click add if you want to create new templates. But I'll just edit my HR template, and then you can see all this information here that you can fill out. So the naming conventions, there's several different naming conventions that you can use. And for display name, UPN Logon, and the SamAccountname name, all the options are the same. And if you don't want to use one of these naming conventions, just select empty. And then you can manually fill it out in the creation GUI. So just fill out whatever information here. So these users will be created into this container. Setting the department, company, I can set a manager, add users to groups. So you can see these new users will be added to 2 groups: contact, street information, home folders. So just modify the template however you need, click save, and then I will come over here, click create user, and then I'll select my template, and then when I'll fill this information out, and you can see it's going to create the logon names, display names based off what was set in the template. And then you just fill out whatever information you need. All this property information is automatically filled out from my template. You can see it's going to automatically add the user to these groups. And when you have this form all filled out, you just click create, and it will create the user account. So again, yeah, this is just how to create accounts using the templates. This will help you streamline and help make accounts more consistently and automate some of that process. There's also, you can bulk import accounts from a CSV, you can bulk modify accounts, and then you can edit existing accounts. So if I search for an account, search, you can see when I select account, it's going to display some information here. And then if I want to modify the account, I can click modify user, and then I can modify the accounts here, just like I could with the built-in Active Directory tools. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.